What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. Man, your boy been down under the weather. Knee is all jacked up and swole up. Right here, I got my brace on. But man, I'm still gonna be doing some videos until this knee get right. And but this time, you see this big box we got here. You know, I've been telling you about the helmet giveaway. So this is the helmet that I'm giving away. I'm gonna show you the helmet, then I'm gonna tell you what you can do to enter to win this helmet. Ain't gonna cost you a dime, not a dime. So, but this is the LS2 Valiant 2 helmet. It's a modular helmet. Let me show you what comes with this helmet, y'all. You got the dark tinted screen right here. You got two visors. It comes with the pin lock as well. So you got the pin lock for the front, and you got this little deal in here that you blow up though. So when you work on your helmet or anything, you can blow it up and put the top of your helmet in. And it comes with this very nice backpack, y'all. Got LS2 helmet on it right here. You can use this bag for anything. So you got a little zipper right here if you want to store stuff in it right here. So yeah, so let me show you the helmet. It's an extra large. You can win it for yourself, or you can win it for your wife, your side chick. I don't care. just enter the win. And I'm gonna tell you what to do to enter the win in this helmet. But like I said, it comes with this nice looking bag right here. You know, all helmets come with a nice looking bag. You can see it's a brand new helmet. Y'all still got the tags on it. So I'm not giving you, I got one just like it. If you watch some of my earlier videos, I still rock my helmet. You see it still got the new clear screen on it as well. Brand new LS2 Valiant 2 helmet. You see it's got the pop up here. On the sides, got the little button. You just got the, you know, the little shade visor on the inside of it right there. So yeah, and it's a modular helmet. Just hit the button up under here. This raises up. You can rock it several different ways. You can rock it down like this. You know, it's just however you prefer to rock the helmet. Or you can rock it like this. It's on you. But this is a helmet that I'm giving away. Brand new LS2 Valiant 2 helmet. I have 3 helmets that's LS2. I like LS2 helmets, but y'all know I've been rocking my Shoei RF14 lately. But I wanted to give this way to one of my lucky subscribers. Yeah. Hey, I hope you enjoy it. But let me tell you how you can enter to win this helmet, y'all. The only thing that you have to do is get somebody to watch this video, subscribe to this video, and do this right here. Say, I'm subscribed thanks to 2147 crew. And I'm gonna enter 2147 crew name. I don't care how many times or how many people you get. If crew get 10 people say, thanks to 2147 crew, I'm subscribed. So, and I'm gonna write crew name down. If it's 10 times, he gonna get 10 entries. If you get one person to subscribe, you get 1 entry. You know, it's just on you how many people you want to get to subscribe to the channel. You can, and the people that just subscribed, that because of you, they can also enter themselves in and do the same exact thing. Say, thanks to Just GQ, I'm subscribed. You know what I'm saying? So that's how we're gonna give away this helmet. We're gonna do it old school. If your name is in these comments 10 times, I'm gonna write it down 10 times, put it in there, and we're gonna get the hat. I'm gonna put the names in the hat. We're gonna do like we used to do in high school when we used to pull Christmas gifts. And we're gonna go live the day after Thanksgiving. After Thanksgiving, we're gonna go live, and I'm gonna give away this brand new LS2 helmet. Yes, I'm gonna ship it out, so you don't have to worry about nothing. So it's not gonna cost you anything. Just helping the channel to grow a little bit. Hopefully get more subscribers to the channel and check out some of the rides and some of the different things that I've been doing to comb for you new guys and new subscribers who just joined the channel. You can go back and check out a lot of my videos where I did quite a bit of work to comb. So yeah, that's gonna be it. But like I say, just had them to watch this video. Go in there and say, thanks to Kelly B Glide, I'm subscribed. That's all they gotta do. And be honest, because I can look at my subscriber count and see who subscribed to the channel. So if you don't have a YouTube name, just have them to put your government name out there. Then at the end, I just had you to hit me on my email at Kelly B Gliding, and then you give me all your information and I will definitely send the helmet out to you. Yeah, that's just what it's gonna be like. Just like that, just that simple. I know it might seem hard, but it's not. But like I say, get them to watch this video and say, I'm subscribed thanks to Ride Fit Nation. And I'm gonna put Ride Fit Nation name in there. And then Ride Fit Nation buddies who just subscribe to the channel and said thanks to whoever he get to subscribe, you know, say his name. And that's how we're gonna do it. So y'all, that should be easy, simple to do. So man, I appreciate y'all watching the channel. Like I said, your boy down under the weather. Got a little arthritis in the knee. I haven't been able to go to work. I've been off for the last 3 days, but man, I thank everybody for praying for your boy. But I will be back out there on comb. He just sitting out there covered up right now. So yeah, man, I was looking to make it to the Lone Star rally. Let me apologize to the ones that was looking for me at the Lone Star rally. I'm sorry, but you know, I'm under the weather with my knee and stuff. Other than that, I would have been there. So y'all, yeah, till next time, baby. The next grind. Y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed day. I'm out of here. Peace.